This is what the C-clip going to on the left side. With the silver stuff in there. You got the gear between. That's what C-clip going there. Here you go. This is the actual part of the bearing together. Axle here. Look at that. This is what the C-clip clip to this roof. Okay. Good, guys. Clean first before you come back. Go in. This is the problem, guys. This is what they're leaking from. It's called the axle seal. So we'll get that replaced and should be good to go for another 20 years. I'm going to replace. That's the seal. That's the axle seal. That's where the differential fluid is coming from. So I'm gonna replace with this one. I'm gonna go this way. That's where it should go. Yeah, there's leaking from the bottom here. That's the problem. So as you dry, the fluid just coming through here. Drop it down over the bottom. Okay, here's the old one. I chisel and busted. Came out. Now here's the new one. It's already installed. I use this one. Tap it like this. Nice looking one. All nice seal. So it should be good to go for another 21 years. Keep some little lubrication wire. 5W-90. The brake cleaner. Some lubrication wire to this one. Just easy going. Get tighter. It's supposed to be tighter. You want to be tighter. It went great. Go right through. Back to where it was. I'm good. You go that far away to the differential, right to here. Come right through here. I see right there. I see it. Okay, back it up, and I'll put the C-clamp to lock it up. So no need to secure. Here, this is the differential part. That's the gears. Turn the rear axle forward and backward. That's the bearing. That's the bearing shaft coming into the axe, coming to the differential, and then connect to this bolt. And there's a C-clamp up here, locked the drive shaft in place. So I did put the blue thread locker to this bolt, and it also go through this big bolt lock in place. Clean the surface here where the gasket gonna be sit on. Here is my new differential carbon gasket. Before you it's the right side. Yep, just like that. Starting one bolt. I require 30 full pounds. Go this one. Okay. Do all the rest and be the same, 30 full pounds. Okay, the real one is recommend 75W90, okay? Full synthetic. The differential wire. It's empty.